In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in CorelDRAW. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is insert both the images. So I have two completely random images over here, and I'm going to blend this bottom one at the bottom of this top one over here. So, of course, you could do whatever you want here. I'm just going to do this as an example for this tutorial. So, first, I'm going to take this image and I'm going to actually place it around at the bottom of this one over here. And let's say this is kind of what I want to achieve, so it's kind of blending through. So, to do this, it's actually very simple. You want to click on the image you want to blend at the top. So I'm going to click on this one, and you want to click on this tool over here on the left, which is the transparency tool. And then you want to select this third option, which is the fountain transparency. Whenever you do this, you'll see it's going to be like from left to right over here. We don't want that. That's why we're going to basically rotate this. And if you want it to be perfectly at 90 degrees, simply put this one up like that, like over here, for example, and then just drag this one as well and hold down your shift key, and you'll be able to get perfect angles just like that. So that's the first part. Now, next, we're going to remove this kind of edge over here. As you can see, the edge is quite visible. I don't like this. So we're going to put this down a bit more. There we go. The edge has now kind of disappeared. And of course, I could go ahead and change this as well over here if I wanted to show more or less. And then I can go and basically change this as well. So at the bottom one, I'm going to blend in like that. And then I'm going to also use this slider, which is kind of going to fade in more or fade in less. I want it to actually fade in a bit more, just like this, for example. And there we go. I can now change this bit here as well to actually make it blend more or less. I'm just going to leave this at about, let's do 25 over here. And next, I'm just going to go and click on the select tool. I'm going to go and crop these edges. I'm actually going to put them in here like that. If I can find the edge of the image, oops. There we go, like this, and then this one as well over here, and that's basically how you can do it, okay? So there's, of course, a bunch of different ways. You could want to put whatever you want on here. There's a bunch of different things you could do here. You could blend them like a million ways, but that's essentially how you do it. The easiest way is using this transparency tool, and then this fountain transparency up here. You can play around, you can customize it to your own wish, okay? So that's how to blend two images. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.